So my name is Alex Sharjah, and I'm the clinical director of the Ivane Bokeria University Hospital. So Bokeria's hospital, the university hospital, takes pride of its multiple facilities. The hospital had been grown to the level of tertiary hospital. It is a full-blown trauma center, and it has all types of surgeries capable helping any type of patient. Neurosurgery, trauma surgery, orthopedic surgery, cardiac surgery, vascular surgery, which is growing now, and we have a new attendance from the very famous surgeons of Georgia in this direction. We have a full-blown cardiac facility which provides the cath lab for the patients. Soon we are getting into the arrhythmology field pretty nicely, and we have a cardiac surgery team which takes pride of its very good practice. So we have multiple things to do here in this building and provide the treatment for the patients who come to us. There's no medicine without the science, and no science without teaching. So when you have a university getting into your rooms and into your walls, that brings you the new questions from the new minds of tomorrow's your colleagues, the young youths who's going to grow and become doctors tomorrow. They have their own attitude, their own culture, and we take pride of more than 13 countries coming in this university, bringing their own culture and their attitudes in medicine. So that is one of the most important steps in Bokeria University Hospital's history, that we signed this university and we will provide the students with our teaching. So everything in the medical teaching has its own time. Most often what happens is the first few years students are passing in the theoretical sciences, the basic sciences, what we call them, and ever since they go on to the clinical part, that is when the university hospitals kick in. Whenever possible, we usually let these children to do some superficial suturing of the skin or whatever, especially in the emergency departments, through the consent of the patients. But most important things are happening when the students are in contact with their senior physicians, the teachers, as they provide their skill to show them how skillful they are and what is done and in which way. You know, sometimes they provide you with a very good idea about the things that you don't remember ever since you have been the student there. So this is the important thing. Well, they have an opportunity to have their own medical residency spent here, post-diploma, any type of career bring here. And also one of the most important things is the research, that we are doing some type of research with the international research programs. Mostly this happens on the phase 2 and phase 3 trials through the Helsinki approval of the human rights point and everything, so they can join these programs as well. Capabilities are really here.